Yes, and I am back across the street. I'm walking back to the bad neighborhood now. I think I actually walked this way yesterday, but I think that's full. Yeah, it got lost somehow, that film. I don't know where, but yeah, something happened. It's not. No, I don't have the flag up. Just turn the camera around there so you can see. It looks like a hillbilly there. You know, one of those things you see in America when you call them Southerners. It has this old type of flag, you know, from the Civil War. And the funny thing about that really in Sweden is that it's kind of like having a flag, yeah, a Nazi flag up. I don't know if it's racist, so yeah, I'm gonna get it. Probably some kids who were killed in front of it. So we're getting down here now. I don't know if you really can hear what I'm saying. It's a lot of cars moving here, as you can see, but oh yeah, I did put a lot of crappy furniture as well in the closet today. I can't really throw it away due to it's not my furniture, but that is life. All time on a bike, a car. I'm gonna stop shooting soon. I just want to show you this. Because maybe, I don't know. Yeah, there you can see. We're back here. We have a bus. Okay, it's one of those fruity bands. I guess you can't get a picture, but in Sweden they have something called the dansband, and it's like really dorky. Apparently a lot of young people are into it. I don't know what the version in America or Australia would actually be towards that, because I think that is kind of like a Scandinavian thing, from what I understand. It is kind of like country, but 10 times worse. And every song is just like one or two chords, you know, whatever you call it, where you change the things on the guitar. Yeah, Skallberget. So now we are like getting down here. I think it's someone behind me. Yeah, it was someone behind me. It's encouraged to go and shoot. Yeah, there you can also see more gang tattoos. I don't know, now I can't see this, I'm not gonna zoom, I'm using my phone, so there got up a lot of mountains and shit like that. I don't know, one of you might recognize this tunnel. But I think this video should be uploaded, I'm not really quite sure. I think 5 or 6 videos was actually lost, and then I put some problem with the connection today, so I couldn't really see on YouTube, you know, where it had been like tag and all that. I don't know. So I just had to put some names on them in order to pick them up. But just search on Emily Browning out in Sweden and they will appear. Or go to my YouTube channel, they're all there anyway. I would like to live that way. You know what, that is interesting. I will shoot now that I get closer to place I'm staying at the time being. I'm becoming very bored. As you can see, it's kind of coming towards